I'm having lunch here with my lads because we're on our way to pick up the dining room tables and chairs that I bought a while ago. So this is our lunch. Corn rice, fish, another fish, shellfish, and Janelle's having chicken. So this is how a Filipino's lunch, simple Filipino lunch. There's Daloy, Gigi, and Janelle. So I'm back here picking up the furniture which I bought last week, the dining table and chair, the 6-seater one, and we're just waiting for the furniture to be bought down from their stock room upstairs. So this is we're putting it in the rust bucket again, our very reliable little rust bucket. Butangi og karton ng ilaw para di magasgas. Naa siya? Naa naman gyud ng karton ngano man gyud. Butangi pading sa ilaw ba? Trampas kay mo nagdana lang gyud tag karton, wala lang gyud inyo gamita. Nya katong lingin. Mana na unong katre ang iyang stand sa tunga dong. Apa dong pa? So those are the 6 chairs and this is the stand of the table. Napaw uso. So again, our rust bucket has been the reliable one. This is the Cebu Coliseum area. Most of the Cebuanos can recognize this place. The Santiago Street. Higdan. Karton ng mga kilid di kay basig magasgas mapatay ta di na bata kamao mo ayo. So I'm telling them how to pad it all up, although it's been wrapped in rubber, like a rubber seal, rubber cloth. You can see the area of Santiago Street. Yan na, mulakaw sa kundre sa Cebu Coliseum. I'll have a walk around. There's still a lot of shops around here. And then you can see there's the E-Mall across, but this is still the Cebu Coliseum area. There's a lot of little shops like it was before. And this is where you go into our Cebu Coliseum. I think it is now owned by the University of Cebu. This is their gym. You seen it tagiya diri kuya no? You seen it tagiya. Sa una di mo gumikuan. That's why it's cleaner now. It's now owned by University of Cebu. Mo ni ilang gym diri kuya. So the Cebu Coliseum is now the gym for the University of Cebu, but they still rent it out for any event like boxing or basketball. Because when I tell the address of Silawan Furniture, some people do not know where is Cebu Coliseum. So Cebu Coliseum is across E-Mall. That's Elizabeth Mall here in Santiago Street, Cebu City, and this is Cebu Coliseum. I gotta go back and check on my lads now. So this is the furniture that we pick up on Silawan's Furniture. This is the 6-seater Lazy Susan round table that I purchased there as a dining tables and chair for the guest house. And there you can see it's been well wrapped up. I have to pick it up because the delivery is so dear. It's cheaper to pick it up with my rust bucket. You can see the round table here. You see the wood, how they made it from wood, and that's the plywood. But I know it's a thick plywood. I've seen it on the there. And when anything goes wrong with it, I could replace it with solid wood. So the frame of the solid wood is there, but the round top is just plywood, which can be easily replaced with a solid wood. Like I said, there's people that does lumber around the area that I could get my solid wood from bark of trees. In fact, I even have some trees myself that I could cut. So I'll be unboxing it now so you can see what it looked like. So I have unboxed the chair, but I asked help now for the table because it needs a couple of hands to assemble the table. This is the table center. So my two lads are doing the table part, but you can see here, these are the chairs. All wrapped in plastic still. That will be put around this area. So that's the center part of the table. So this is how the dining table look like. We have unpacked it and then put it back together. So that's the 6-seater Lazy Susan dining table. That's for here. And then next time I will buy a 2-bar city there for the bar. And if they wanna, just eat on the countertop of the kitchen there, I need like almost will match the color of the chair or the upholstery of the chair. So there's a Lazy Susan on the middle. So I bought this. I had it on my video. This is 27,000 pesos. Of course, that you can haggle with cash. And I also pick it up so it's cheaper. So that's how it looks like.